Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to make a USB bootable for Windows 10. So let's start with it. So first of all you have to download the tool from the link that I provided in the description, that is Media Creation Tool. I have already downloaded it in my PC, so I will direct open it. But before opening this tool you have to insert your USB that you want to be bootable. So as you can see I have already inserted my USB. Now we will open Media Creation Tool. It will take some time to open. Now the tool has opened, so you have to accept the agreement of Microsoft for further process. Now it will take a while because Microsoft is checking the configuration and requirements of your PC or laptop. It gives us two options. One is about upgrading our PC that we don't want to do right now, and the second option is of creating installation media. So you have to tick on it for making your USB bootable and simply click on next. Now if you want to stay with the recommended options that are given by Microsoft, so don't uncheck this option. These are recommended options provided by Microsoft, in which language is US United States, edition is Windows 10 and architecture is 64-bit. But if you want to change these options, so you have to uncheck this and then you can select your own option that you want to proceed. So now you can see that there are many languages visible and you can choose one of them of your own choice, but I will still select United States. In addition, there is only one option of Windows 10 because this media creation tool is only for Windows 10. The last option is of architecture, and now you can choose your own architecture as per as your system requirement. My PC is 64-bit, so I will choose 64-bit architecture. Or if you want to install both the 32 and 64-bit architecture, so you have to select this both option to install it. But I only want to install 64-bit architecture, so I am selecting 64-bit. So click on next button. Now there are two options here. One is of USB flash drive and the other is ISO file. So you have to select the ISO file option because it is a good option as compared to USB flash. If you will select USB flash, it will format your whole USB and then download Windows 10 setup in it. And if you will select ISO file, so it will not format your USB and will install Windows 10 setup in it. Then click on next button and select the destination where you want to save the setup of Windows 10. I will select my USB drive because I want to make my USB bootable. Click on save button and now it will take some time to make your USB bootable. So I will be right back after the process will be finished. Now as you can see, the installation of ISO file is finally finished. Now click on finish button to close the setup. Now I will go to my USB drive to see that the Windows 10 is installed correctly or not. So I will open my USB drive and you can see that here is a WinRAR file that Media Creation Tool has created in my USB drive. So I will extract this file. It will take some time. It is completely extracted. I have opened this folder and you can see that the setup of Windows 10 is completely installed correctly. So now your USB has become bootable. I hope that now you have understand that how to make a USB bootable. So like this video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.